Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm working on these beautiful sunflowers and these would look absolutely beautiful on any project you wish to attach to. So let's get started. Let's start by working a slip knot. Chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. We'll insert our hook into the first chain that we just made. Grab the yarn and pull through both the loops, and this way we have just formed a circle. And now we are going to work into the center of the circle. So chain 1, and we are going to work 6 single crochets into the center of the circle. So this is my first single crochet, this is my second single crochet, 3, 4, 5 and 6. We'll insert our hook into the first single crochet that we just made, grab the yarn and pull through the loop, and we have just joined this round. You can pull this yarn snug and tight to close the circle. And now for the next round we are going to chain 1. We are going to work 2 single crochet into the same stitch. So this is 1 and 1 more single crochet into the same stitch. And now we are going to work 2 single crochet into the next stitch. So this is 1 and again 1 more. So we have already created 2 plus 2, 4 single crochet stitches. Now in the remaining 4 stitches you are going to work 2 single crochet in each stitch, and at the end of this round you should have a total of 12 single crochet stitches, and I'll meet you at the end of this round. So here I've completed working on this round, and now I'll join this round by working a slip stitch into the first single crochet that we just made at the start of our round. So working a slip stitch in here, and we have joined this round. Now for the next round we'll chain 1, and we are going to work 2 single crochet into the same stitch. So this is 1 and 1 more single crochet into the same stitch, 2. In the next stitch you are going to place just 1 single crochet. So this is just 1 single crochet. In the next stitch we are again going to work 2 single crochet stitches. So this is 1 and this is 2. 1 single crochet into the next stitch. So this is 1 single crochet. So you can go ahead and repeat the pattern wherein you will work 2 single crochet in the next stitch, and in the following stitch you will place just 1 single crochet. At the end of this round you should have a total of 18 single crochet stitches, and I'll meet you at the end of this round. I've reached at the end of this round, and at the end of this round I have a total of 18 single crochet stitches. And now I'll chain 1 and I'll cut off this yarn. And this is how our round looks like. For the petals we'll insert our hook into the same stitch where we just joined our round. I'll grab this yarn, pull it up and work a chain stitch. And for the petals we'll just pull up the yarn a little like this. We'll wrap around the yarn, insert our hook into the same space or into the same stitch, grab the yarn and pull up a loop again. We have done this 1 time, we are going to repeat it 3 more times. So wrap around the yarn, insert your hook into the same stitch, grab the yarn, pull up a loop. This is the second time. We are doing it for the 3rd time and the 4th time like this. And now we'll wrap around the yarn and pull through all the loops and lock it with a chain stitch like this. And now chain 2, 1 and 2. We'll insert our hook into the space which is created when we made our first chain. Grab the yarn, pull it up and work a slip stitch like this. So this way we have just created our first petal, and now we are going to work our next petal into the next stitch. So we'll wrap around the yarn, insert the hook into the next stitch, grab the yarn, pull up a loop. So we have done this 1 time. We are going to repeat this 4 more times. So this is the second time I'm working. 3, 4 and 5. So in total you should be repeating the pattern 5 times. And now we'll wrap around the yarn and pull through all the loops and lock it with a chain stitch and chain 2, 1 and 2. We'll insert our hook into this space that was created when we made our first chain, grab the yarn and pull it through. So this way we have created our second petal. So you can go ahead and repeat the same pattern in each of the stitch around, and at the end of this round you should have a total of 18 petals, and I'll meet you at the end of this round. So here I have reached at the end of this round, and now I'll just join this round by working a slip stitch on the top of this first petal that we made. So I'll grab the yarn and pull it through. At this point you'll chain 1 and cut off this yarn and weave in the ends. I'll show you how this looks once I've weaved in the ends. So this is how our flower looks like. I hope you like this pattern, and if you like this pattern then please do consider subscribing to my channel. Like, share, comment and let me know in the comment section below how your pattern turned out to be. And if you like this pattern then I'm very sure you would love the pattern popping up on your screen. So do give it a try. Thank you so much for watching and stay blessed.